YouTube, Ty back here with another video from the xking.com, and today I want to talk about if you had $500 to $1,000 to invest into an online business or a blog, what would you get? So first, with the $500 or $1,000, what will I invest my money in if I want to start a brand new business like a blog or a YouTube channel? The first thing I would get would be I would get hosting for my blog, which is $4 or $5 a month. You pay all that front. You might pay like $130 for 2 years. So you buy the hosting, the domain name is $12, $15. I'll go ahead and buy a premium theme. That's about $40, $60. So you have about $200 right there. I wouldn't get software right now for emails or landing pages right now because you don't have traffic. I mean, it'd be a while for you to get traffic. So in the beginning, people say, go ahead, build the email list and get the landing pages. Well, you're paying for services that you're not even getting traffic to. So I'll wait to get the landing pages and lead pages at Aweber. I'll wait for that. Set the blog up, get a premium theme, get your plugins together, and start blogging. Now, with some of that money, you can hire writers. I will hire writers for my blog. No, I mean, you get all for $5 from Fiverr. I use iWriter.com. I'll put upload a video. You want to check them out, but I use iWriter.com. I mean, a cheap article is like $15, $20 an article. So you want to hire a writer for articles. You know what I'm saying? So spend $100. You might get 5, 6 articles written for you, and that's what I would do. And I'll start a YouTube channel. YouTube channel is free to start. Use your smartphone. The one thing I would get, which I wish I got a long time ago, is video editing software to edit the videos. And I recently got some editing software for my videos. If you look in my last video, why I open my video is different. And my last 2 videos, I'm sorry, I bought Filmora is the editing software that I use now. So if I want to invest some money, I'll get the premium theme, I get the hosting, I hire writers for my blog. I will get the editing software for my YouTube videos. For Filmora is like $60 one-time fee. So I like that. It's not a monthly fee. It's a one-time fee. A premium theme for your blog is a one-time fee. So you pay like $60. It's $60 one time, but it's worth the money. Can make your YouTube videos look better. And that's about it. So you're spending $60 for the theme. Writers, let's say you put $100. The hosting maybe $100 up to $300 probably. You might have $150 left. I mean, like I said, you could use that for advertisements. You can use that for more content. You can go ahead and get VaultPress for your WordPress blog for security. That's like $3.50 a month or $49 for a year. This is really cheap. That's what I would do. That's a $500 limit. And if you got $1,000, well, you can just buy a whole bunch of content. You can buy the content that lasts you a month or 2. You don't gotta write nothing. Go ahead and get the premium theme, get the articles written for yourself, and create YouTube videos. So this business is not expensive. I mean, if you have $500, I mean, you could start. I mean, if you want to do YouTube only, just you want to do no blogging, just YouTube, it's even cheaper. I mean, you buy your camera. You might spend $200-$300 for a good camera, but starting off, use your cell phone and just buy editing software, and you're spending $60. That's it. And for the blog, you don't need a premium theme. You have $500, you try and spend all the money. You don't have to buy a premium theme. You could just buy. You could use a free theme from WordPress and just get hosting. That's it. And with Bluehost, if you order a package through Bluehost, you get a free domain anyway. So still cheap. A premium theme costs a little money, but it's worth it in the long run. But it's a cheap business to start. This business that takes time. It just takes so much time to make it, and you have to do content every day. Don't spend all this money on a premium theme and a camera and hiring writers for your content. You have to put out content every day. Like every day, you gotta put up something new. So don't buy all these articles, buy a premium theme, and then once those blog posts are posted, don't write no more. You have to always write content. My blogging frequency is every other day, and I put a new blog post up every other day, consistently. I can't stop doing it. Now I feel bad if I don't do it. So that's what you gotta do. So don't. If you're just dead broke, don't got no money, maybe $100, I would save that money. I'll save that money and save that money and start a YouTube channel or get some editing software. But my first 450 videos on my channel right now as I speak, and 350 of them was from my cell phone. The other 150 was from OBS system studios for my laptop, a free software for you to record your screen. I ain't spent no money on the camera or editing software. So I spent my whole YouTube channel for free. The only money I spend on my channel is Filmora to make my videos better. That's it. If you want to go the cheap route, the YouTube channel. But blogging is still cheap. Blogging, you could blog at work. You could blog on a road trip. No, you really can't make videos at work. But you write a blog post at work. You know, that's what I would do. So to answer the question I was thinking about, if I was someone that came to me today and asked me, look, I got $500. I want to do something online. What should I get? I'll say get hosting, get a premium theme for your blog, start hiring some writers, get your YouTube channel, set that up, buy editing software if you want to. If not, you don't have to get the software. But there you go. You have a business and you still got money left over to buy whatever. You could hire more content. You could get Filmora. You can get other editing software. You can get Social Pilot and just schedule your content, run all the different social media platforms. There's a lot of things you could buy for under $500. So I suggest that you take action, and and again, $500 is not a lot of money. I mean, you want to start a YouTube channel, you can start it for nothing. You can start a YouTube channel for no money, nothing. It costs you nothing to upload a video to YouTube, nothing. So if you want to go really, really cheap, free, do what I'm doing now. Take my cell phone out, record a video that helps somebody else out who wants to start a business, who has money. Where do you start? Don't have no money. Where did it start? If you like gaming, if you like playing the game on Xbox or PlayStation, I mean, Xbox, you can get on Twitch for free. You can get on Twitch and start recording your gameplay and put it on YouTube. There's so many ways to make money online that it's just impossible not to make it. So, yeah, that's it for my video. What to invest? I got some money in my hand. What can I invest in for my business? Blogging, YouTube. Don't do paid advertising right now. I wouldn't do lead pages. I mean, you need it. And if you need AWeber and lead pages in the future, but if you're brand new to a blog, you're not going to get 400 readers a month. The first month, you might only get maybe 10, 20. And you are paying for that service. So I will wait until your blog has 3 months in of content. Then I'll go ahead and get those old tools. So this is Ty for TheXKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you next time.